This is a series of small conversations for beginners. Listen to this conversation and apply it in your daily life. It will greatly help you. What's your good name?
My name is Elsa.
Is your house near here?
Yeah, it's near here. You can see it from here.
In which building do you live?
I live in the next building.
What do you live in, flat or house?
I live in a flat with my parents.
Why do your parents prefer flat over a house?
We have a small family. We don't need a house.
How many rooms are there in your flat?
There are 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, a living room, and 2 bathrooms.
Is there space for your toys and other playing accessories?
The living room is big enough. I also have my own bedroom. I usually keep my toys into my bedroom.
Where do you ride your bicycle and scatters?
My parents take me to the park when I want to ride my bicycle.
How many toys do you have?
I have a lot of toys. I have many dolls.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I do.
What video game do you play?
I play Roblox.
Wow, fantastic. I also play Roblox. Would you like to come to my house?
I'll ask my parents for permission.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I read in grade 2.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Why do you like English?
Because I want to go abroad for higher studies.
That's great. You have a good plan. Are you good at English?
Yes, I am.
What do you do on weekend?
Nothing much.
Do you stay at home?
No, we go to the seaside park.
What do you do in the park?
I take swing and seesaw. I ride my bicycle.
Do you play alone or have any friends there?
I haven't any friends there. Sometimes I play with other children. And sometimes Dad and I compete in bicycle race.
What time do you go to the park?
We go in the evening.
Do you eat your dinner out?
On weekends we eat out.
What do you eat in your dinner?
We eat mutton, karhai, and kunafa.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep around 10 p.m.
Do you read bedtime stories?
Yes, I do.
What is your most favorite story?
Alice in Wonder World is my favorite story. I read it every day at night.
Do you brush your teeth before going to bed?
I regularly brush my teeth before going to bed. My mom doesn't let me go to bed without brushing my teeth.
Brushing teeth before going to bed is a good habit. What time do you get up in the morning?
I don't get up very early. I get up around 9 a.m.
What time do you go to school?
I go in the evening shift. I go on to p.m.
What time do you come back home?
I come back on 6 p.m.
Do you come to this park every day?
I often come, but not every day.
Do you come alone?
No, I don't. My mother comes with me.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
No, I don't have brothers and sisters.
Would you like to be friends with me?
Sure, I would be glad to have you as my friend.
This is our first conversation. Now we are friends. I hope you've liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and be in touch with Easy English with HKH to have more useful English conversations.
Thanks for watching.